Music is essential in daily life, and transferring your tunes from Android to iPad without losing quality is key. In this video, we'll share 5 effective ways to transfer music seamlessly between devices. Part 1. How to transfer music from Android to iPad via USB. 1.1 Via phone transfer seamless. AirDrop and Move to iOS don't support music transfers from Android to iPad, but there are other ways. Phone transfer is a quick, one-click solution to transfer songs and media without data loss. How to migrate music to iPad from Android using phone transfer. Step 1. Install the software, connect your Android and iPad, and launch the app. Step 2. Ensure your Android is the source and iPad is the target. Step 3. Select Music and click Export to Device to transfer. 1.2 Via iTunes. Connect your Android via USB. Drag the music folder to your desktop. In iTunes, connect your iPad. Enable Manually Manage Music. Click Add File to Library, then sync the music and click Apply. Part 2. How to copy music from Android to iPad with Wi-Fi. 2.1 Via Google Drive. Open Google Drive on your Android device and log in. Tap the Add icon, then select Browse to upload your music files. On your iPad, open Google Drive, log in, and download the files you uploaded. 2.2 Via YouTube Music. Open YouTube Music on your Android. Go to Library Songs Uploads and upload your songs. On your iPad, sign into the same Google account, then go to Library Songs Uploads to access your music. 2.3 Via email. Open your email app on Android, sign in, and compose a new message. Attach the music files and send the email to yourself. On your iPad, open the email and download the attachments.